Dear students, let us we go to discuss the business statistics paper 2, the unit second, normal distribution. What do you understand the about normal distribution? So it is a probability chapter, continuation of the probability chapter. There are two types of their probability. There is the discrete probability and the second one continuous probability distributions. So the continuous probability distribution is called as a normal distribution. It is a type of continuous probability distribution for a real valued random variables. Let us see what are the properties of this normal distribution. The curve is bell shaped and it is symmetrical. Yes, we draw the one, there is the bell shaped curve. So bell shaped curve is divided into two parts, the left side and the right side. So it is symmetrical shape, bell shaped and it is symmetrical. The second one property, the mean, median and mode are equal. Mean, median and mode are equal here. And third one, the curve is asymptotic to the x-axis. The curve touches the x-axis only at minus 0, 0 and plus 0, 0. So the curve is divided into two parts. So left hand side is a 0.5 and right hand side is also 0.5. So left side is in a minus 0, 0 and right hand side is in a plus 0, 0. Then fourth one property, for the distribution, standard deviation is equals to, we used the sign here, sigma. And the second one, quartile deviation is 2 by 3 sigma. So sigma is used as a sign of standard deviation here. And the third one, mean deviator or deviation equals to 4 by 5 sigma. Mean deviation is 4 by 5 sigma. Then the fifth one property, the area under the curve is unity. The area under the curve is unity, means 1. So 1 is, there are two parts, 50-50, means 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, or 0.5 and 0.5. 0.5, 0.5 is a 1 unit. Then the quartiles are lower quartile. Lower quartile means Q1 equals to, we write the sign here, that is sign is, we say it is mu, but it is a mean. So mu minus 0.6745 sigma. And upper quartile is equals to Q3, so it is mean plus 0.6745 sigma. So these are the 6 important properties for normal distribution. So under this normal distribution, standard normal variate, we say it is in short form capital SNV, standard normal variate. What do you mean by the standard normal variate? A normal variate with mean. Mean is, you used the sign here, mu. We say it is a mu. Mean always, mean equals to 0. And standard deviation, sigma, sign is used, equals to 1, is called standard normal variate. So it is denoted by, there is a Z. So Z equals to x minus mean divided by standard deviation. So z equals to x minus, you can use the sign mu divided, mu means here the mean, divided by standard deviation means you can use the sigma sign, where here the mu is a mean and sigma is noted as a standard deviation. So we go to the calculator simple, there is a problems on this normal distribution. X is a normal variate with the mean 42 and standard deviation is 4. Find the probability that a value taken by x is less than 50 and greater than 50. So here given mean equals to 42 and sigma means standard deviation equals to 4. What is our basic formula? Z equals to x minus mean divided by standard deviation. So x minus, their given mean is a 42 and sigma is a 4. X minus 42 divided by 4 is a standard normal variate, SNV. Always you remember that area from 0 to minus 0 is 0.5 and area from 0 to plus 0 equals to 0.5. So you know that the bell curve is divided into two parts. So left hand side is a minus and right hand side is a plus. So it is a half portion, that side is a half portion. So we say that is 0.5, 0.5. So 0.5 plus 0.5 means 1 is divided. So that is symmetrical. Say how to calculate the x, the here the z value. So less than, there are two questions are is there. The less, find the probability that a value taken by x is less than 50 and greater than 50. So the first we to solve the this less than 50. So p means is the probability of x is less than 50. So we can write probability in bracket x, the smaller their sign 50. So 50 is less than x, less than 50. So equals to p probability equal probability x minus 42, x 42 here given the mean divided by 4 is less than 50 minus 42 divided by 4. So now the p is, there is a z, so is the z value we have taken with the help of this, the table is smaller than 8 by 4 means 50 minus 42 is 8 by 4. So 8 by 4 you can also simplify, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8 means there is a z is lesser than 2. Z value is lesser than 2. So area from minus 0 here the less means you can minus can use it. So minus 0 to 2, area from minus 0 to 0 plus area from 0 to 2. So here the area from minus 0 to 0, so it is 0.5 plus area from 0 to 2. So we can, according to z value table, you go through the z value table there. So given the 2, its a value is in the column you select the 2 and in the first row you can go there 4772. According to z value table, z equals to 0.4772. So 5, you can add these values, 0.5 plus 0.4772 is 0.9772. So how to show this in there is a bell curve. So you can draw the bell curve divided into two parts. Left hand side is to show the minus and right hand side plus there. So the left hand side 0.5 portion and right hand side 0.5 portion. So here is the minus 0 to 2. So minus is covered here fully. Then 2 2 value according to our Z table is 0.4772. So is both is we added here 0.9772. So you can show here the uh, draw the line in the right hand side or in the plus side and we show the mark this way. So we'll get the less than 50. The Z value is 0.9772. So this is the less than 50. Now what are the greater than 50? Greater than 50. So probability x is greater than 50 equals to p x minus 42. So mean is 42 divided by standard deviation is 4 is greater than 50 minus 42 divided by 4. 50 is the here the given in the value, so that x value is given, x minus 42 divided by 4. So p probability z is greater than 8 by 4. So we want to ascertain the find out the value according to Z table here. Say area from 2 to 0 0, area from 0 to plus 0 0 minus area from 0 to 2. So area from 0 to plus 0 0 is 5, 0.5 minus 0.4772 is the value of 2 as per the Z value table. So 5 minus 0.4772 equals to 0.228. So how to we can show this area in the bell curve? So you can select the this is greater than 50. Greater than it is in the you can select the right hand side area, so that is 0.228. So in this way we show the in the bell curve the area. Thank you.